Good afternoon and welcome to another sunny day here at Costa Adeje, Tenerife. We're going to have a mooch around, go down by Puerto Colón, then down to Fanabe beach. Yeah, just a general mooch around basically. So come on, let's go see what we can see. So walking past the famous Scotch Corner bar and down the hill towards Puerto Colón. Word of warning though, the hills in Costa Adeje are brutal. It's got this little restaurant and bar and shop area right next to the bay. There we go, the lucky men with his brolly hat on, all trying to be the TikTok famous one. Very good, very nice. Do you know which one I mean? Well, they're all trying to get off his fame now. They all pretend to be him, and they're not him. He is still around somewhere, but they're trying to charge like 10 and 20 euros to take a photograph with him to pretend to be the very good, very nice person. But they're not. Now, a little bit of information for you. That lift there doesn't work, and it didn't work last year when we were here. But if you go in towards the car park, there is actually a little hidden lift that takes you down inside the multi-storey car park, and you can come out of there. It does look closed. It's quite dark to get into, but that is a way to get in if you have wheels. And stupidly, they don't actually have any signs pointing that way to the lift. The only lift signs I've got are for that one, which, yeah, it's never worked for years. Now you will find that you'll get pestered off all lucky men and the people trying to put braids in your hair. They'll hand you things and all of a sudden you owe them money. So don't accept anything of anyone. So we're walking along the beach at Puerto Colón. We're going to walk along the promenade towards Fañabé beach. And like I say, if you want a Rolex that'll tell the time twice a day, or a pair of sunglasses that'll last an hour, go see the lucky men. And why are they called lucky men? Because they come up to you going, lucky, look what I have. Get a look at all the crabs down there. Tenerife's quite famous for them, to be honest. I think the rainbow crab. Let me know down below if I'm wrong or if I'm right. I'll get the iPhone out and do a quick zoom in shot for you. So here we'll walk along to Fanabe beach, and we're going to have a walk around past all the shops, bars, restaurants, etc. along there to the end of Fanabe beach. In my opinion, this is probably one of the best beaches in Costa Adeje. Certainly one of the biggest and busiest. So there's lots of bars, restaurants and shops on the promenade as well. Obviously overlooking the beach. And outside the restaurants you always get kind of lucky men that come along, do a bit of a show for you, and then expect tips at the end of it. To be fair, the show that the guys put on is really good. They are really good acrobats, quite funny. Yeah, just give them a tip at the end. tell you what, mate, the hills are killing me. I've only been going down. Oh, I've got to go back up soon. Or maybe a taxi. Welcome to Fañabé Beach. It's like to say, lots of bars and restaurants all up there. Then you've got the beach with some beach bars on it. And you can rent these lounges and chairs. I'm going to murder this pronunciation, but apparently that beach is called Playa de... oh, I forgot it now. Playa de Taviscus, which is probably not how you pronounce it. And now this bit is Playa de Fañabé. Taviscus, Fañabé. I'll be 100% honest with you, I thought it was all Fañabé. Well, it looks like we've come to the end of the road. Literally. So we're trying to decide whether we're going to go up there or go back the way we came. Well, we've decided to do the zigzag. Zig-zag. Zig-zag. Well, we decided to get to the top of the zigzag and stop at the Moon Restaurant and Bar to have a wee glass of sangria. Well, jug of. Cheers, everybody. Well, we're going to have a walk back along the promenade, but the next level up, because it's on 2 or 3 different levels. And we're going to head back to the base of that hill, and I think we might get a taxi. I'll tell you one thing, that sangria was lethal. You know when I said that sangria was lethal? Well, I only went and forgot my hat, didn't I? So Tristan had to run back and get it. Hey, I'm going to forget my head in a minute. Them stairs are useful, aren't they? I tell you what, these hills, all uphill now, and I'm going to try and find a taxi. I can't see anyone pass, it is a Sunday. Yeah, if I see a taxi, I'm flagging it down. Look at this section we've come to, it's all little bars on a rooftop terrace, but they're all closed. Every one of them, it all seems abandoned. Which seems a bit of a shame, because I can hear the music. We are, if I have a look over the end of here, we are actually in a busy area. But all these rooftop bars are all closed. And all the way down there is all closed. But the beach is just there. And these are all open. Wow. Oh my God, another hill and no taxis yet. There's a taxi. Taxi! Oh, it's gone the wrong way. Well, guess what? We've found a taxi rank. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. Well, there you go, folks. We're back in the hotel now. And yeah, that was a fun little walk along Puerto Colón, Playa de whatever it was, and then Playa de Fanabe, which I thought it was all Fanabe, but yes, I was wrong. Anywho, shall see you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.